Hello YouTube, Chastek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to create a Google Doc and share the link. So you want to create a Google document or spreadsheet or any file on the Google. So first you should have to log in with your account, so with your Gmail account. In my case here, I already logged in. So after you logged in, you will find here the apps option for Google. So click on this dots and scroll down, and you will find here the docs option. So select that docs option and it will directly open the Google Docs. So here you will have different resumes, letters, project proposals, and also here you will have the recent documents that you earlier done on the Google Docs. So in order to create a blank one, here it says blank, so click here the plus sign, and you are going to open, or you are going to create the untitled Google document. So in order to give it a name, here you can go here and type Chachi take. So let's give this name, and after that you can type here whatever you want. For example, subscribe to Chachi. So here, subscribe to Chachi. So you can type, or you can do whatsoever you want on this section. So after you do that, you can mark, and you can do bold, italic, underline, and other alignment and spacing functions like the Microsoft Word. So you can control all the documents or all the texts here by the menu that you find on the top, and as well as you can give here the share option. So you can click here the share option, and you will find here for whom you can give a privilege. So you can type here the person or their email address that you can give a permission to use this document, or else you can even give here the restricted option, and you can give the option anyone with the link can use. So after you do that, copy the link in order to send for that specific person. Copy the link and click here done. So after that, you can paste the link, and anybody can access it. For example, you can here click the plus sign, and if I paste this one and press enter, it will directly opens the Google document. So this is the method on how you can create a Google document and share to your friends or anybody in order to modify or in order to review your document. So this is all about for today's video, and if today's video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chastek.